Rachel. She's here for you.
Let's talk about your authorization to test. So you have been assisted by IPAS processing on your NCLEX application, you have received your approval, and now it's time for you to sit for your examination. So the question there is, how many times can I use my authorization to test? So you can only use your ATT in one instance. However, Ms. Rachel, a follow-up question, what if I will not be able to be successful on my first attempt and my re-examination target schedule still falls within the validity of my authorization to test that I have received previously? So can I still use the previous ATT for my re-examination? Unfortunately, no. We cannot use that ATT again for your re-examination. We need to be able to pay to Pearson VUE again so that another authorization can be issued to us. So the moment your authorization to test will be issued, there is a certain ATT number that we can use for your scheduling. And this can only be used once. So if ever that, unfortunately, the candidate wasn't successful on the first attempt, we need to be able to pay again so that we can receive your authorization to test. So the authorization to test of validity also is depending on, so the authorization to test the validity depends on the Board of Nursing that we also have applied for our NCLEX. There are state boards wherein the ATT is valid for 90 days or 75 days or 3 months or 6 months. So within the validity of our authorization to test, we should be able to sit for our examination. So prior to sitting for the examination, we should be able to schedule our examination so that our examination date falls within the validity of our authorization to test. If we cannot be able to sit for our NCLEX within the validity of our ATT, therefore, we need to pay again so that we can get another ATT. For more information about your international exam application, please communicate with us through IPAS processing, or if you need assistance on your NCLEX online review, we provide unlimited review program through IPAS online review and Mentoring Academy. We look forward to serving you all.
Ask Miss Rachel. She's here for you. Send your questions, we'll answer them well. Every week on Ask Miss Rachel. With IPAS processing, you're guided through your nursing journey. Starts with you.